I wonder where is the children? Where is the children?
Happy! Happy Children's Day!
Happy Children's Day, no?
I love you too! I love you too, baby! Take it, bye! I love you too! You want to sing some song? Do you know Hindi song?
Acha kahega.
Everyone, welcome to our channel, ABfamily. So today is a Children's Day. I want to wish you all the children's happy Children's Day. So much love from us, ABfamily. So today is a Children's Day. We celebrate the magic of childhood, a time of wonder, curiosity, and endless possibility. We honor all the children's, recognize them, the importance of providing them a love, care, and possibilities to grow. And I want that we create the world where every child can thrive, learn, and dream big. So, from ABfamily, we wish you a happy Children's Day. Honey, you want to say something for the children's?
Definitely. One of the most important lessons what I have learned is that you believe in yourself. You guys, children, you are the future of India in Meghalaya, and you can be as prosperous you ever want to be. Your mind high, your feet on the ground, and you can reach anywhere you want.
Yeah, you just need to believe in yourself. When you
what.
believe in yourself, then there's nothing impossible.
That's what.
You can conquer anything in your life.
Anything.
Have faith in God. Without God, you cannot do anything. So have faith in God and believe in yourself. Everything is possible in
That's
life.
why. And why? Why you need to believe in yourself? It is because God believes in you. So
Yes.
why you should not believe?
As in the scripture also, it says that God helped who helped themselves. So remember that.
That's why.
Bye. See
go.
you. So, honey, where are we going now? Now we are going to buy some candies for the kids to give them as a happy Children's Day, to share some love with them. So, let's go.
What? Happy Children's Day.
Yes, happy Children's
Today is
Day.
the Children's Day.
Yes, thank you.
We came to get some candies. You have some lollipops or something?
Lollipop no, only choco pie.
Because I remember it has been, I think it was something around 2 years ago.
Yes.
He is a grown-up boy now. He was so much smaller, but now he's strong also. He's strong. He's a businessman. Yes.
Let's go,
I used to.
ABfamily.
ABfamily, shout out.
ABfamily.
And if you have not
ABfamily.
yet subscribed and liked to the channel,
Do it now.
click that button and send it for your mom, your grandmother, your father, and your dogs and cats also to subscribe it. Press it.
Yes.
There is also, I think this is Alpha School bus.
Bus, yes.
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 That's what.
Let's go.
This is our town, beloved town of Nampa. Alpha
School.
English Higher Secondary School. I heard that there is actually a little bit. Which one is better? Is it Alpha or St. Paul?
I have been studied in St. Paul, so I voted for St. Paul. Actually, in both school I have studied. Secondary I have studied in St. Paul and higher in Alpha. Both school are the best school. I don't want to compare between either two of them. Both other school is the best.
That's what I said. She's the next president.
But yes, it's the best school, especially for the kids. It's a good foundation for the kids here.
Do the schools have some competitions, like dancing competitions?
Yeah, we do have
So you
dancing
do have.
competition, quiz competitions.
Okay, so there is that one, because
Yeah.
what I believe also that human being needs
Yeah.
that kind of mindset of competition
Yeah.
if you want to be successful in life.
Yes.
But I could add there something else also, and what I mean by that is that you don't compete with others. You compete only with yourself.
Yes.
That is the best philosophy
so far.
so far. Definitely, you at me. Yes, best philosophy so far.
You want to sing some song?
Yes. Bol barinka kalinka, bol barinka kalingkangka.
Then another song, any other songs you would like to sing? Which song?
Which song?
Yeah. Hindi? Do you know Hindi song?
Acha, acha, Dhanyabad,
That is not the
Dhanyabad,
That is not the song actually.
Shukriya, Kajega, Anatira.
You know that
Yeah.
song? Suki, Suki,
Suki, Suki.
Yapi,
Yes, I know.
Yapi, Deki Kali. Here we got some candies for lollipop for the children's.
Yes. How many we have?
I don't know how
Enough,
many.
I think.
I think it's enough.
Yeah, I think it's enough.
Let's go. Yay! They are happy. Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day, no? Remember this one, this plastic, you put it in a dustbin.
Yes.
Okay, not on the ground.
Yes.
This is our village. We take care of our village, isn't it? Because we are boys, we are guys. You're welcome.
Hi, Leo.
Which
Hi,
color
baby.
you want?
Which color, Leo? Blue, yellow, yellow.
Yellow.
Oh, is there any yellow?
Here is yellow a little bit. You want this one?
Happy Children's Day.
How you say thank you?
Ha, aku muna di benong.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Oh.
Lakaban.
Happy Children's
welcome.
Day. For him also, na?
Thank you.
You're welcome, most
For her.
welcome.
Got another
There, yes. Happy Children's Day.
Ang kublay mo.
Thank you. Kublai. Have you got already? You have got? Oh, welcome. Huh. Look how beauty is Paham Sim, Meghalaya. Papaya is also there. That's what. Ooh. Almost fall like in Bolbaring. Bolbaring udah. Sim. Sim. Happy Children's Day. Ah. So, handshake. Yes, good play. Let's go to another place. Because we still have this bag and we have another bag there.
Back there.
Oh, still have many to.
If you want.
Yes, you give. Yes, we give double portion.
Okay,
Of
we'll
course.
take this. Yes. Enjoy.
Bye.
Children's
Oh,
Day.
yeah, babe.
Thank you.
Eh, dah ke sekolah awak nampak wai dah?
Why?
Kidang-dang kita nak sekolah tay. Okay, dan bye.
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 She's so happy.
Look the view. Nicely. The sun there like that. Hold it like that. Nicely. Very beautiful. Guys, this is Baham Zim. Not Baham Zim, but this is Baham Sim. Baham Sim. Very beautiful village. Oh, we are now walking here in our village. Hey, happy Children's Day. No. Shim. No. You're welcome. Hello. How are you? Happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day.
Oh, he's so happy.
You're happy? Ah, that's cool. Is any other children there?
He don't
Where?
know. He don't understand.
That way. Huh?
He stayed there. He mean.
Oi, come now.
Ano?
Have children there. More children.
Oh.
Okay.
Let's go. Children are so happy.
That's what this stick I put on my pocket,
Yeah.
and when I reach on my house, I put it in dustbin. Happy Children Day. Shim. You're welcome. Oi, kong. Oi, kong. R, Lai, Sao, Se. What is 6?
Riu.
Riu is 6.
Yeah, and Riu.
And 7.
Nhiều.
New. 8.
Pra.
Pra. And
Kandai.
9.
Kandai.
Kandai.
Shipo.
Shipo.
Có ai số bờ đây Children's Day khăn nát thế? Mà.
Bye. Hello guys. Shim, happy Children's Day.
That one also.
Yes, of course.
Hey, that another boy also is there.
Hello, hello.
Hi boys. Happy Children's Day. Candies.
You fight now.
He's a boxer. He's a boxer.
You can
Whoa,
fight now.
whoa, whoa.
Okay, happy Children's Day now. Happy
Say
Children's
thank
Day.
you.
See, he already got, so he say I got
Yes.
already. Nice.
Genuine guy, no?
How you kick? Show me one time how you kick.
Whoa.
Nicely.
One more.
here
Oh.
Pa-
Whoa.
Look at that guy. Oh my.
Bye, Raja.
Bye.
Happy Children's Day. Bye. So happy to see these kids, you know, that
Yeah.
they are very happy, you know.
Yes.
Small things, it matters
Small,
for them,
small.
you know. It's very important.
Oh, kung daw pilong. Happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day. Shim na. Shim. Shim. One. Shim.
Happy Children's Day.
Oi, apa.
Yay.
You're welcome lah.
Happy Children's
Yes,
Day,
yes.
boys. Happy Children's Day.
Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Happy Children's Day. Have you studied hard?
Yes.
You have studied hard?
Yes.
Good.
Happy Children's Day. You're welcome. Happy Children's Day. Shim, you're welcome. Come. Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Look that one.
So cute. Bye. Bye. Take it.
Thank
you.
Good play. You're welcome.
Happy Children's Day. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, the baby.
Oh.
Baby. Happy Children's Day.
Bye. Oi. Happy Children's Day na.
Shim.
Shim. Shim.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
That baby also.
Shim. Yeah, baby also. One. Shim. Oh.
Happy Children's Day.
Children's Day.
Bye.
Bye.
Wait. Up.
Up more.
Happy Children's Day. I love you. I love you too, baby. Take it. Bye. I love you too.
Happy Children's Day. Shim. Did you want to fish? Huh? You went fishing? Fishing? How you say fishing in Kasi?
Quite dot.
Kwaido.
Bye. Happy Children's Day.
So, we are done with the day.
Huh?
So much joy, isn't it?
That's what.
So much joy to share the love with the children.
Small, big things.
Yeah,
Or little
children
things.
are angels.
Yes. It's the future.
Yeah,
Children is the future.
yeah.
These children are the future.
Bye.
Bye. Good.
Bye.
Bye, no.
Bye, teacher. Bye.
Wow, we had a great day today.
Yes, definitely.